Russia's Gromky corvette has undergone a rapid series of back-to-back tests over the past months, an indication that the Russian Navy is pushing to make it fully combat-ready by 2019. Gromky is the seventh vessel to be constructed as part of Russia's new Staregushty class series, specially commissioned to serve in Russia's Pacific Fleet. The Russian Navy plans to lay down a total of 13 Staregushty class corvettes through 2021, with the inaugural model launched in 2001. On November 15, Gromky conducted a live artillery fire test in the Sea of Japan. The advanced corvette Gromky, that has to join the Pacific Fleet soon, has conducted live firing for the first time during sea trials. The structural testing of ship weapons was carried out with live firing in the Sea of Japan. And a 190,100mm multi-purpose shipborne automatic gun mount and Alaska 636-barreled automatic gun mounts were tested in various modes. According to spokesman of the Pacific Fleet Captain Nikolai Voskresensky, several weeks later, Gromky fire tested the Kh-35 Uranus anti-ship missile system. According to a statement by the Russian Ministry of Defense in the course of state trials, the latest corvette, Gromky, has fired the Uran cruise missile against naval targets. The missile successfully destroyed a surface ship dummy at a distance of 40 kilometers from the launch point. In late November, Gromky was tested in a large-scale anti-air exercise. According to Captain Voskresensky, Gromky successfully fended off 8 aircraft including 4 Tu-22M3 strategic bombers, the MiG-31 interceptor, and the Su-35 fighter multi-purpose fighter jet. Details of the exercise remain unknown, aside from the aircraft unsuccessfully attempting various electronic countermeasures to scramble Gromky's onboard communications system.